Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Yesterday what we see was that I just want to speak to you about yesterday's chart. So Nifty, there was a trending market yesterday. It was showing as trending market, but I'll just give me one moment, okay? Um, Yesterday was a trending market, but there was a lot of volatility in the market, okay? So some people felt that there's no volatility, but I felt that every 5 minutes, every minute, there was a volatility. Every moment there's a volatility, sharp decline in prices. So right now here it shows like as if it's a trending market, but actually if you see the actual chart, yesterday's chart, it shows that the market was very volatile and it was going up and down, and it was almost like it was not like a trending market, but it was like a consolidating market. So what you need to do is you should avoid investing in such scenarios, okay? And try to use opportunities, and if you're a scalper, you need to be very careful, because what happens is it could create a lot of stress when you're trading. Okay, so this kind of situation, this kind of chart, if you're not used to this kind of charts, so don't I would advise you don't trade based on. I have seen people uh, uh, looking for tips, but don't, because your perspective and your way of trading would be different, and you might not feel appropriate if they tell you to put stop loss for 10 or 15 points, or you 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 need to, so uh, you would not be very comfortable. You need to be very careful when you listen to other people. You need to practice on your own and see that how this works. Okay, this chart was very different. In the mobile screen it doesn't show, but if you see on the laptop or the computer, you can see that this chart was more of a consolidated. It was not looking like a trending market, or it was not showing you. Some people might say that, okay, this is, you are getting an increase here, getting an increase there, but you cannot predict, you know the you should be in a situation where you can predict, and you can say, okay, today now I feel that market is. You need to have that gut feeling, or you need to have certain kind of knowledge that, okay, the market, you've seen the chart before, and you are very sure that the market would give you some returns. Okay, so I would suggest that in this kind of scenario where the charts are not looking good, don't invest, or don't take that risk. Try to avoid taking the risk, and I will try to come up with more videos. And also I have a paid channel, so if you have not if you want to subscribe, or you want to learn more about option trading, you can do that. It's very simple. I've tried to use very simple words. I've not tried to use the jargons of option trading. I try to make it very simple. So you can just check in the description. I put in the description, and about the details. Uh, if you are interested in doing option trading, or if you want to have a peace of mind, and you can get into that course. Okay, I'll be uploading more videos on that paid channel. I will just try to upload very few videos, because you should have your fundamentals, and your basic should be, you should have a base. Basically you should need to have a thing where you need to have a proper foundation. So I'll just work on foundation. Other things like chart, looking at chart and candlesticks and all these things are available free of cost. It's there on the YouTube, but I'll be speaking on very different. I've put videos on very different topics like risk management and trend reversal. So if you're paying for those videos, so you will exactly know that, okay, this kind of thing, this will work. Okay, so I have put more emphasis on trending markets, and I don't give a lot of emphasis on scalping. Scalping is something very stressful, and but still I will teach you on scalping. Whenever I get opportunity, I'll try to share more on scalping, how to scalp and how to make money. But it's very, you will lose on big trades, so you will not get small. You cannot scalp and look for earning big amount of money. Okay, so I will just end this video right now, and if you are interested in joining our course, uh, it's I put the charges there. You can very well look at it and look at the description, and whenever you're free, or whenever you want to enroll into it, you can freely enroll into it. It's a very good system, and you will come up with a lot of new ideas after that. Okay, I'll just end this video, and thank you for your time and patience, and thank you for subscribing to us. and you have a nice day and happy trading. Thank you.